Oppo smartphone default ring time.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about Oppo smartphones and specifically, we'll be answering the question, what is the default ring time on an Oppo smartphone? So, if you're curious about this or you're an Oppo user looking to customize your ring time, stick around because we've got you covered.
What is the default ring time?
The default ring time on an Oppo smartphone refers to the duration for which your phone will ring before it goes to voicemail or stops ringing. It's basically the amount of time you have to answer an incoming call before it's considered missed. Now, the default ring time on Oppo smartphones is typically around 30 seconds. This means that when someone calls you, your Oppo device will ring for approximately 30 seconds before it either goes to voicemail or stops ringing if unanswered.
Can the default ring time be changed?
You might be wondering if it's possible to change the default ring time on your Oppo smartphone. Well, unfortunately, Oppo does not provide a built-in option to customize the default ring time. The duration of 30 seconds is the standard setting and cannot be modified through the phone's settings or options.
Alternative solutions.
Although you can't directly change the default ring time on your Oppo smartphone, there are a few alternative solutions you can try if you want to extend or shorten the ring time. One option is to forward your calls to another number with a different ring time. By doing this, you can set up the desired ring time on the forwarding number. Another option is to use a third-party app or service that provides call forwarding and call handling features. These apps often allow you to customize the ring time as per your preference. And there you have it. The default ring time on an Oppo smartphone is approximately 30 seconds. While you can't change this duration directly within the phone's settings, you do have alternative solutions like call forwarding or using third-party apps to customize the ring time. We hope this video has been helpful and provided the information you were looking for. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye for now.